Guys, the crypto trenches are heating up because Pump.fun is not stopping. They just acquired one of the biggest trading bots called Padre. And actually, I'm a big fan of Pump.fun, of course, and also Padre because I use some of their features. For example, they have this cool feature we can get some of the signals from the paid groups. You can find that video on my channel. But today, we want to talk about the update, what it means to the market, what it means to Pump.fun, of course, and how it actually can change the game. So, as I mentioned, you can see right here, big announcement by Pump.fun team. We just acquired Padre app, and you can see Padre app actually has almost 40,000 followers. Pump.fun has, let's check out, 600,000 followers. And I believe this could be a really positive move for the whole meme coin market because this signals that Pump.fun is not only squeezing the retail investor and meme coin traders, but now they're finally starting to invest. And I think this could also bring some topics about AIRDROP. Maybe Pump.fun will do an AIRDROP on Padre. And for the same reason, I believe it's really smart to start using Padre because I believe, as I mentioned, Pump.fun could do AIRDROP for all the Padre users. And also, it's a really great bot. You can find the link in the description. If you use my link when you're signing up, you get big discount on all the future fees. So basically, you're saving money in the future. I will actually show some of the unique and really useful, I would say, trader tools Padre offers a bit later in the video. So first of all, we have some of the reasons why Pump.fun decided to acquire Padre. So first of all, because Padre has the best user experience, and I tend to agree with them because if you jump into the Padre bot, they have clean UI. All of these panels are customizable. You can make everything bigger, smaller. You can change colors. And you can see right now we have beta for BNB. So you can see one click, you're in Solana, one click, you're in BNB. Right here, it's your wallet. Just add BNB and start trading. Also, all the analytics, all the information, all the features from Solana chain, you can see right here, are moving to Binance. And actually, this is really cool because now we can trade smarter. We can actually analyze the tokens. For example, let's click on some of the tokens. For example, right here on the right, we are getting quick analysis of these tokens. For example, how much of the supply the top 10 holders are holding, how much developers holding, can actually see what insiders, what big groups purchase the token. And as I mentioned before, I do use this bot as an addition to Axiom Pro and other bots because I really love one feature, which is right here, Alpha Tracker. So if you click right here, you can see what insider groups, paid groups, are actually talking about the token and buying the tokens. For example, right here, you can see we have Pastel Alpha, which I think costs around like $150 or $100 per week. You can get the same alpha right here on Padre for free. I actually have a full video on my channel explaining you how to use it, but let's do a quick overview. So for example, you can see Pastel Alpha shared this token, which is called Forbidden. If you click on it, you get the chart. And actually on the chart, you can see at what point, what group shared this token. For example, let's go maybe to this one, Max. If you hover on this point, you can see it was mentioned on Pastel group right here. And actually it was not a great call. So if you have time, check out this list, check out what groups are right, what alpha actually works. And of course, this allows you to make better decisions because you get info from all of these paid insider groups. So let's jump in back to the tweet. Next up, Pump.fun is partnering with Padre because they're offering the most rewarding cashbacks and competitive fees. Also true, it's really cheap, it's really fast. Best dedicated support for traders. I actually never tested out Padre support because everything works. And number 4, strong core technology. I also agree because, as I mentioned, they're adding some unique features I haven't seen on other bots because my personal setup is Axiom Pro. And also I use Padre to complement Axiom Pro by using the insider alpha, by tracking insider wallets, and also checking out what these insider groups are buying and talking about. And of course, lastly, what's next? So we actually have an update, what to expect from this partnership, from this acquisition. So Padre will function as usually, including the trading tokens, ultra-fast improvements, and high responsiveness. And what's going to change? So immense upgrades to user experience, especially tokens launched on Pump.fun. Next up, significant improvements in data speed and ultimate edge. And the Padre token will no longer have utility on the platform with no further plans for the future. And I believe, again, it's pure speculation, I think they'll have some kind of AIRDROP for Padre users because, as I mentioned, Pump.fun didn't do any AIRDROPs and people are kind of blaming them for that. And this could be their opportunity to make people happy and also get more people using Padre because I think Padre is a big money maker and of course they want more users. That's why, again, if you're trading meme coins, set up Padre account with my link, again, for the cheaper fees. Just try it out, do some transactions because I believe there's a good chance of an AIRDROP. And before we go, I also want to talk about some other Pump.fun acquisitions, because Pump.fun acquired also CallScan, which is kind of a platform where you can find the top traders, the top influencers. So you can see, for example, the daily leaderboard. We can see different influencers from X, from Telegram, and how much actually they're making. And you can actually check out their wallets. We have daily, weekly, and monthly leaderboards, but I don't recommend copying these wallets because these wallets are profitable because people are copying, and these guys are dumping on the copy traders. And the last thing, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And also don't forget to follow my Twitter, because on Twitter I can be faster and you can get all the updates, all the news first before I actually can record the video, edit, and post. So if you want to be quick, follow my Twitter, link in description, and see you on the next one.